Welcome back, and today I'm showing you how to block spammy ads and annoying notifications on any smartphone. I'll be using the Galaxy S22 Ultra, but if you're using Infinix, Tecno, OnePlus or iPhone, don't skip. I'll show you your versions too. This tip is super useful for anyone tired of random pop-ups, notification spam, or apps that just won't stay quiet. Let's start with Samsung. So you go for Samsung, you swipe down to the settings icon, you go here to settings, and you go to notifications, and you tap app notifications, and you look through the list and toggle off any app you don't want notifications from. You go through the list. If you don't want to be getting notification from such app, you toggle this on and off, right? And so tip, okay, tap the name, tap the name of tap the app name to fine tune, like to fine tune, like let me just do it instead of speaking it. Tap this and you look through. Okay, turning off promotional alerts on there. If I do this, then I can go here to notification categories, and I can specifically like fine tune what maybe I don't want to be getting notification from comments. Like Facebook would tell me, oh, this person commented, or this one, or this person that tag you, or I can turn off some of this and just get alerts that I want. Maybe only get alerts when somebody requests for friends, something like that. All right, now to block ads from unknown apps. To block ads from unknown apps, you go back to settings and you turn on settings, and you go to privacy, like security and privacy, and you scroll and you go to on this phone you go to more privacy settings, and you go to ads. See where it say ads, and you can from here you can turn on or remove personalized ads. So you read what this says, like you can delete advertising ID. If you touch this deletes your current blah blah blah. So read this, and you if you want to still delete this advertising ID, you can do that here. Okay, and then if you're getting pop-ups, if you're getting pop-up ads randomly, like it's not really like an ad that that you installed, you can go to settings again, and you go to apps. You know what, you just go and search, go here and search special access, or some phone will say special app access, special access. Here it is. And then disable, and then once you here look for appear on top, see this appear on top, and disable it for suspicious apps you didn't install knowingly. So you look through these apps, see which one you didn't recognize. Maybe something just installed itself on your phone and start giving you pop-ups. So you can look here and disable that from here. Okay, so this is especially helpful if you recently installed an app and suddenly started seeing weird ads or pop-ups. And now for Tecno, Infinix, and other like Itel, you go to settings and you go to notification management, or maybe just notifications. You tap on individual apps to block or customize their alerts. For pop-up ads, long press the ad or notification and tap the eye. There's like the eye icon, then disable floating window or notification permission. Extra tip, okay, go to phone master or security app and turn off recommend content / ads. That will be under settings. So disable system ads by going to settings, system, app management, app recommendations, and turning it off. For OnePlus or most Android phones, you have to go to settings, notifications, app notifications, toggle off spammy or unnecessary apps. For persistent ads, you go to settings, apps, special app access, display over other apps, revoke access from unknown or unnecessary apps. Now for iPhone users, open settings and you tap notifications. You scroll down to the specific app and tap on it. Turn off allow notifications or customize types like lock screen, banners and etc. For Safari ad pop-ups, go to settings, Safari, enable block pop-ups and fraudulent website warning. Also go to settings, privacy and settings, tracking, and turn off allow apps to request to track. Turn it off. Turn off allow apps to request to track. And that's how you block those annoying ads and spammy notifications on any smartphone. If your phone is finally peaceful again, give this video a like, share it with someone who needs your phone peace, and hit that subscribe button for more easy tips. Let me know in the comments what worked for you. And if you want tutorials like this for other phone tricks, follow me, subscribe and like. Thank you.